Hello dear fans. What is an idol? Since ancient times, people have believed in supernatural powers, good and evil spirits, angels and demons, and in a huge number of gods. Some peoples presented their gods in the form of animals, others in the form of humanoid creatures. From wood, stone, clay, or precious metals, they created images, usually figurines, of a divine being. These figures, totems, gods are called idols. At the dawn of civilization, the concept of idol did not exist. The person simply believed, and the figurines personified this or that deity. Those idols were a kind of icons for which people prayed. These images were addressed with words of gratitude, with requests for help, protection, or retaliation. With the advent of monotheism, the term idol appeared. Several references to idols can be found in the Old Testament. Among the Jews, this word had a dismissive and extremely negative connotation. It meant worship of a foreign deity. One of the 10 Commandments says, "Do not create an idol for yourself." This instruction also applies to the creation of man-made deities. The most famous idols of antiquity are the images of Thor and Odin for the Scandinavians, Baal for the Babylonians, Purin and Rod among the Slavs, Osiris, Ra, and Anubis in ancient Egypt, statues of Zeus and other Greek gods. Later idols of Kali, Shiva, Krishna, statues of Christ. Various materials were chosen for the manufacture of idols. In Egypt, for example, gold and granite were most commonly used. Greeks, marble, Slavs, mostly wood. The indigenous inhabitants of the American continent are gold, silver, platinum, jade, and even basalt. During the era of the planting of Catholicism all over the world, the Crusades, the Inquisition, and later the Spanish conquistadors, many idols were destroyed. Along with the alien gods, alien cultures perished as well. And now archaeologists are collecting history bit by bit. And idols and gods have ceased to be symbols of someone's beliefs, they are kept in museums, being the heritage of all mankind. In modern culture, an idol is a more abstract concept. It is applicable to any blind worship, any cult, any deification. So for millions of people in the Soviet Union, Lenin was an idol, and after him Stalin. For the Germans, Hitler was an idol, for the French at one time, Napoleon. This concept has become even more modernized with the development of the music industry. Any pop or rock star can now be called an idol or idol. Such idols were Elvis Presley, the Beatles, Michael Jackson, and many others. Thanks for watching.